From this video, I would like to explain the problems of exercise 7.1. The chapter is Coordinate Geometry of class 10 from AP and Telangana State Boards. Coordinate Geometry exercise 7.1 mainly depends on one formula, that is distance between 2 points. So the distance between 2 points, A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is equals to, that is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So the complete exercise depends on this main formula. Let's go to do these problems. Hi, this is Madhubabu. In exercise 7.1, the first problem is find the distance between the following pair of points. First one is 2, 3 and 4, 1. These 2 points. So solution. First we have to find the distance between 2 points. So first write the formula. The distance between 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So by using this formula we can solve these problems. First one is 2, 3 and 4, 1. Let the first, this is the x coordinate and y coordinate, take as x1 and y1. This point x coordinate as x2, y coordinate as y2. Let A as 2, 3 and B as 4, 1. Then the distance between 2 points AB is equals to square root of, substitute in this formula, x2 minus x1. So what is x2 here? 4. So 4 minus, what is x1? 2. 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That means what is y2? 1 minus 3 whole square. Four minus 2 means 2, that is whole square. 1 minus 3 whole square. 1 minus 3 means minus 2 whole square. That is equals to 2 square, that value is 4, plus minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 whole square means, that is minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. So 4 plus 4, square root of 8. So root 8 we can write as 2 4s are there in 8. So 4 into 2. So separate it. This is in the form of root AB. We can write as root A into root B. So root 4 into root. What is the value of square root 4? That is 2. Root 2 value as it is. So the distance between these 2 points is, distance have measurements, that is units. So 2 root 2 units. Second one, minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. Solution, let A, that is minus 5, 7 and B, that is minus 1, 3. Take as x1, y1, x2, y2. So AB is equals to distance between 2 points formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substitute these values in this formula. X2, that is minus 1. In formula minus is there. Again x1 is minus 5. So keep bracket minus 5. So close it. Square. So x2 minus 1. Formula minus and x1 minus 5 whole square. Substitute like this. Y2, that is 3 minus y1 7 whole square. This is minus 1 as it is, minus of minus plus 5. So whole square. 3 minus 7, that is minus 4 whole square. Minus 1 plus 5, that means 5 minus 1, that is 4 whole square plus minus 4 whole square. 4 square value, 4 4s are 16. Minus 4 into minus 4, that is also 16. Minus 4 whole square 16. 16 plus 16, 32. 32 means 2 16s. Here we observe these 2 16s are there. So write like this, 16 into 2. So what is 16? Separate it. Root AB is equals to root A into root B. So root 16 into root 2. That means root 16 into root 2. 16 value 4. Root 2 as it is. So 4 root 2 units. So the distance between these 2 points is 4 root 2 units. Next problem, third one. Minus 2 minus 3. And 3 comma 2. Let the first point is A, minus 2 comma minus 3, and second point is B, 3 comma 2. Take x coordinate as x1, y coordinate as y1. In this point, this is the second point, so x coordinate as x2, take y coordinate as y2. So the distance between 2 points AB is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So substitute these values. X2, that is 3 minus of x1 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is y2? 2. Formula minus this one, and again y1 is minus 3. So keep like this, that is y2 minus y1 whole square. Simplify these values. Square root 3 minus of minus plus 3 plus 2 whole square plus 2 minus of minus plus 3 whole square. 3 plus 2, that is 5 whole square plus 2 plus 3, that is also 5 whole square. 5 square, 5 5s are 25. 5 square means 25. So this is root 50. In root 50, how many 25s are there? 2 25s. So write like this: 25 into 2. Separate it, that is root 25 into root 2. Root 25 means that value is 5, root 2 as it is. So the distance between these 2 points is 5 root 2 units. Next, fourth problem is a comma b and minus a comma minus b. So solution: let a as a comma b and b as minus a comma minus b. Take a x1 y1 x2 y2. The distance between 2 points, that is AB, is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Simplify these values. What is x2? Minus a. Already formula minus a there, minus there, and x1 is a. So a minus a whole square. What is y2? Minus b. Formula minus, and y1 is b. So this is y2 minus y1 whole square. Simplify this one. Minus a, that is minus 2a whole square plus minus b, that is minus 2b whole square. Here first symbol square, minus square means minus into minus plus. Next number square, that is 2 square means 4, and variable square, a square means a square. So this value is 4a square. This is also same, so you can write as 4e. Observe here, in these two terms 4 is common, so take common as 4. Remaining terms as a square plus b square. So we can write as 4 into a square plus b square, this one. So separate it, root 4 into square root of a square plus b square. Square root of 4 means 2. Root of a square plus means 2 into root of a square plus b square units. The second problem is find the distance between 2 points 0, 0 and 36, 15. So solution: this problem we can do in two methods. You will do in only one method in exams. I will tell two methods. Method 1. Here separately one formula is there. The distance between the points, one point is origin, and let the point as xy. Then the distance between the origin and x, y is square root of x square plus y square. This is the formula. Let O 0, 0 and take this point as P, 36, 15. So for formula, the distance between origin and x, y is equals to square root of x square plus y square. So OP is equals to, now origin leave it and take this point as x comma y. So formula is square root of x square plus y square. So this, take this point as xy, that's enough. So substitute this values, 36 whole square plus what is y, 15 whole square. So 36 whole square means 1296 plus 15 whole square, that is 225. So add it. So this value is 1521. So now we have to find square root of 1521 value. Now by using division method, I will find the value of 1521. By division method, from last two digits take a bar, continue like this, and the next two digits from last take a bar. So now we have to do 1521 as multiply the same numbers, take like 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4, like that to get to 15. So 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. So 3 times will cancel, 3 3s are 9 in 15. So the remainder is 15 minus 9 is 6. Next down these two letters, numbers 621. After that you double the digit 3, we get 6. Now we have to multiply 6 1 into 1 or 62 into 2 to get 1. To get 1, there are two chances, 1 into 1 or 69 into 9. So 61's ones are 61. So we will not get 621. So take this chance, 69 into 9. So 69 into 9, 621. So keep one 9 here, another 9 keep here. So 69 into 9, that is 621. So the remainder is 0. So the square root of 1521 is 39. So the distance between 2 points is equals to 39 units. Method 2, by using general formula like in the first problem, that is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, we can find the distance between 2 points like this. So let O 0 comma 0 and P, that is 36 comma 15. The distance between 2 points are, the 2 points are x1 y1 and x2 y2 is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So use this formula. Take this point as x1 y1 and the point as x2 y2. So substitute in this one. OP is equals to square root of 36 minus 0 whole square plus 15 minus 0 whole square. So 36 minus 0, that is 36 whole square, 15 whole square, 36 whole square. In method 1 all 1296 plus 15 square, that is 225 the sum of these values is 1521. So square root of 51 to 1521 is 39 units. So 39 units. Third problem is verify that the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -1 are collinear or not. Now we will discuss about the collinear. Collinear points definition is if 3 or more points lie on a same line, then the points are said to be collinear points. So if 3 or more points lie on a same, suppose this is a line L, here A, B, C, 3 points lies on a same line. So these 3 points are said to be collinear points. Suppose this point is P, this point is Q, this point is R. So these 3 points PQ are not in the same line. So this type of points are said to be non-collinear points. So how can we verify these 3 points are collinear or not? Suppose these 3 points are in the same line, then take these points as ABC, then we will get AB plus BC. After adding AB plus BC, we should get AC. AB plus B, if AB plus BC is equals to AC, then ABC, the points ABC are on the same line. Otherwise, if AB plus BC not equals to AC, then the 3 points are non-collinear points. So by using this condition, we can verify these points are whether the collinear or not. Let this point is take as A 1, 5, B as 2, 3 and -2, -1 as C. So C -2, -1. The distance between 2 points. By using that formula, we can verify the distance between 2 points. x1, y1 x2, y2 is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the formula, the distance between 2 points. After that, take these 2 points AB here, A 1, 5, B 2, 3. So take as x1, y1, x2, y2. AB is equals to square root of x2 2 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y3 3 minus 5 whole square, that is 2 minus 1, that is 1 square, 3 minus 5, that is -2 whole square, that is 1 square value 1 plus -2 whole square, that is 4. So root of 1 plus 4, that means root 5 units. So AB is equals to root 5 units. Now we have to find the distance between BC. So take BC 2, 3, C -2, -1. Take as x1, y1, x2, y2. Find the distance between BC. X2 minus x1, that is minus 2. Formula minus is there, that is minus, and x1 is 2 again. So minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is minus 1. Formula minus is there, and y1 is 3 whole square. Square root of minus 2 minus 2. After adding these two terms, we will get minus 4 whole square plus minus 1 minus 3, that is minus 4 whole square. So minus 4 whole square, minus 4 into minus 4, 16. So minus 4 whole square, 16, that is root 32. Root 32 we can write as, here 16 two times is there, so 16 into 2, that is equals to 16 into 2 means root 16 into root 2. So we can write as 4 root 2 units. Take AC 1, 5, C minus 2, minus 1. So x1, y1, x2, y2. AC distance, square root of x2 minus 2, x1, 1 whole square, y2 minus 1, formula minus is there, and y1 is 5, minus 1 minus 5 whole square. Simplify it. Minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3 whole square, plus minus 1 minus 5, that is minus 6 whole square, that is equals to 3 square, that is minus 3 whole, minus 3 into minus 3, 9, minus 6 into minus 6, that is 36, that is square root of 45. So 45 we can write as, that is 9 5s, square root of 9 into 5. After separating these terms, root 9 into root 5, that is equals to 3 root 5 units. So by observing these terms, AB is root 5, BC is 4 root 2, and AC is 3 root 5. Suppose BC is 2 root 5, then root 5 plus 2 root 5 will be 3 root 5. If BC is 2 root 5 only, we will get AB plus BC is equals to AC. So here AB plus BC not equals to AC. So the given points are not collinear. So this third problem is finished. Next, problem 4. Check whether 5 comma minus 2 and 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. What is meant by isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle means, in a triangle, if any two sides of this triangle are equal, then this type of triangle is isosceles triangle. Let this vertices as ABC, and we have to find the lengths of AB, BC and AC. A 5 comma minus 2, B 6 comma 4, and C 7 comma minus 2. Solution. Let A 5 comma minus 2, B 6 comma 4, and C 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of a triangle ABC. Write the formula, the distance between 2 points. They are x1, y1 and x2, y2. Then the distance between 2 points is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula. So now take AB, a point 5 comma minus 2, b point 6 comma 4. Take this point as x1, y1, this point as x2, y2. So AB distance, that is x2 6 minus x1 5 whole square plus 4 y2, 4 formula minus is there, again y1 is minus 2, so keep like this. 6 minus 5, that is 1 square, and 4 minus of minus 2, that is 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6 whole square, that is equals to 1 square value 1, 6 square value 36. So the distance, the length of side AB is equals to square root of 37 units. Next, take BC points, B 6 comma 4 and C 7 comma minus 2. So take as x1, y1, x2, y2. So find BC. x2 7 minus x1 6 whole square plus y2 minus 2 minus 4 whole square, that is equals to 7 minus 6 1 square minus 2 minus 4, that is minus 6 whole square. So 1 square means 1, minus 6 into minus 6, that is minus into minus plus 6 into 6, 36. So here we got 1 plus 36 means 37. So square root of 37 units. Next, take AC, a point 5 comma minus 2 and C 7 comma minus 2. Take as x1, y1, x2, y2. Take the distance or length. AC is equals to x2 7 minus x1 7 minus 5 whole square plus minus 2 minus of minus 2 whole square. y2 minus 2, in formula minus is there, again y1 is minus 2 whole square. So simplify this one. 7 minus 5, that is 2 square. This is minus 2 plus 2, minus of minus plus, minus 2 plus 2 whole square, that is equals to 2 square value 2 square, and this value is minus 2 plus 2, that is 0 square. So square root of 2 square, that is 4, 4 plus 0, that is equals to root 4, that is equals to root 4 means 2 units. Here the two sides are equal, AB and BC. AB, BC are equal. So in a triangle, if any two sides are equal, the type of triangle is called isosceles triangle. So here two sides AB is equals to BC. So two sides equal. So Therefore, the given points isosceles triangle. So these are the 4 problems of exercise 7.1. If you like this video, please like it and share it to those who need maths basics, and subscribe for more videos and more updates.